Black Friday Smart Toilet Wholesale. Huge profits. Installation accessories showcase. Insert the filter into the T-joint. Turn off the water valve. Remove the water inlet pipe. Attach the T-adapter. And tighten it with a wrench to ensure there are no leaks. Insert the positioning plunger into the ceramic hole. Place the mounting plate. Support metal plate screws and washers, then tighten with a tool. Push it in from the back to the front and adjust to the proper position, and washers, then tighten with a tool. Take out the filter and connecting pipe. Identify the direction of the water inlet and outlet, then connect the pipes. The water inlet of the filter should be connected to the T-joint, and the outlet side should be connected to the split lid. Open the angle valve and the T-joint. Connect the power supply, and the installation is complete.